Alright, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to start working on the equipment system like I showed you guys last time. And before I get started, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate the love, and a special thank you to you guys for your support on the file. I really appreciate it. And let's get this started. In the last video, I showed you guys this right here. Okay, I'll show you this where you can pick up some equipment, equip it, and then you got the bar at the bottom and stuff. And when this guy pick up his weapon, and he can start doing some damage. Or whatever. All right, so that's where we at right now. I mean, what we're gonna be working on as far as right now. But I also have something cool I would like to show you guys. It's gonna take a long time to put everything together, but we're gonna put everything together. So this is what I've been working on, and I know in the first video I said this game was supposed to be similar to Vigor, but I noticed I keep adding stuff. I mean, we're gonna add most of the Vigor features, most of them. Like we're gonna do like I showed you before, the extraction and everything like that, and we also gonna do the airdrop system, the crate, the safe, most of the Vigor stuff. But today I'd like to show you something cool that I was working on. And let me bring this over here. But we're going to work on the Vigor stuff first before we work on what I'm about to show you now. Okay, so we're gonna keep working on the Vigor stuff, and then later on we're gonna keep adding. I don't know exactly what this series is gonna end. I'm just gonna keep adding stuff that I like in certain game that I play. Okay, so let's go. Now, if let me make this big screen. As you can see, the character got a ball on top of his right shoulder. Some of you guys probably can't already tell what's gonna happen. But let's say if I pick up a lot of weapon, equip everything. One thing you're gonna notice, if I grab my gun, trying to shoot this guy, nothing's happening. Okay, and if this guy walk over here, pick up everything, and then start putting stuff up, on. Okay, get his weapon. Now he equip a single shot weapon. Right? Nothing happened. So watch what happened when I walk in here. I know you guys already see what's coming. Some of you already see what's coming. And voila. So now this dude can walk over here. The widget, I gotta work on the widget because, and as you can see, both of the ball light up, and now I can let's switch to the automatic weapon. Now he died, and watch what happened when you respawn. The ball goes back to being blue, and I can, and with the guy with the client, watch what happened when I walk outside this area. The ball's still blue, and when I go out here, we can no longer shoot each other and stuff. But this is what I mean by working on the widget. So if this guy works, walk over here, boom, he back in the PvP area, right? But with the server, see, it shows it for the both of them. I gotta go tweak it but I can still, oh, what you doing here? Dead. But I know in the division there's a lot of campers that can just stay out here and just, nah. I'm definitely going to prevent that from happening in my game. You know, you can't. You soon as you come in here, it's not gonna be people waiting for them to murder you on sight. Like when I tell you, I used to hate when they do that on Division 1. I used to hate it. People just used to stay over here and they just soon as you spawn out the gate, yeah, bam, 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 bam. But I'm trying to work on sequencer to make sure I can do this little, open the gate, blah blah blah. You got on Division, but I'm learning sequencer right now, so it's all right. Enough talking. Let's get to business, okay? Let me close this project. Pretend you didn't see this, because this is not, we're not working on this anytime soon. I just wanted to show you it's there. The code is there. We're gonna get to it, okay? We're gonna get to it. So today what we're gonna be working on is the equipment. Okay, so which one is this? Okay, let me move these over here. And this is where we are right now in our current project. So player can just pick up weapon and stuff, equip primary and secondary, swap, and I believe we can shoot, yeah, and kill people. Right, so that's where we at right about now. Oh, okay, I have it to, okay, yeah, I have it to not instant restart. Okay, so open the main character. We're gonna have to, there's gonna be one video where we just spend some time and collapse these to function and stuff, so that way our code don't just look messy like this. In my other project I just showed you, I already did that. I already collapsed most of my stuff to most of the stuff to function, so that way my life would be easier to find things and stuff. So if we go to the weapon, no, not weapon, the equipment, no, graph. Did I have an equipment graph? That's okay. We need to, let's make a graph called equipment, and it's pretty much gonna be the same thing we did for the equipping the weapon and stuff like that. Pretty much the same thing. So custom event, server, spawn. Okay, let's spawn the helmet first. Backpack first. Backpack. Okay, so a small backpack and reliable, and you already know what's coming. Okay, create a variable, backpack info, and item, and what am I doing? Item info, web notify. Let's put it category equipment. No. And set it. Spawn backpack. Okay. Now here we say spawn actor from class. Look this up, and we have a function spawn point from capsule. Yep. Yeah. And we just split this, plug this up, and get backpack info, break it, get the class, and we can promote this to backpack ref, make sure it's replicated, and then you can just add it to equipment. And then once we do that, we can say attach actor to component. Parent will be the mesh, and here we get the equip socket name, and make sure it's snap to target, snap to target, snap to target. And also so other character can not just walk up and take our stuff, we say can interact to true. Set can and interact to true. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to go to the use function right here. Use function, we check for backpack and we say server spawn backpack, and we move from inventory, and you can just grab these and move them over there to make some more room. Spawn back and attach to player. Okay, so now if we try to equip it, nothing can happen. It's gonna slide down because we don't have any socket for backpack. So let's go to the skeleton, span 03, add socket, call it backpack, and change the mesh. You change this to, like I said, I'm going to try to make this project with all the assets available to you guys. I'm just trying to figure some stuff out, but give me a couple of days. And this is gonna be a backpack, and let's rotate 90. Yeah, 90, and then slide this up. Yeah, because this wasn't created for this character, so it's not gonna be, 100%. Or if you have your own asset, you can use your own asset. That's cool. But now we have to go to the inventory, the data table inside a backpack. Just add the socket name that we just created into the equip socket name. Okay, so now let me remove this one also, and that one over there. If I go to child, grab the backpack, press play. Yeah, I'm gonna remove these because I don't know why it keeps spawning me all the way over there. Oh, of course. Let's see. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, this is coming from the capsule. Nope, I'm sorry, my bad. We need to get the player. Do I already have one? No, let's just do it the right way. We say get socket transform. Yeah, that's my bad. And you can right click, we combine struct pen, and then plug the name here. Yeah. So now, you know what? Let me go and remove these stupid player start. Let's remove all of them. And then just add 1 and 2. Yeah, for now, for testing. Hey you. Oh yeah, we need to disable the physics as well before we attach it. Set simulate physics for the item mesh. Set it to false. Excuse me. Okay, so let's grab one. Hopefully it worked this time. Oh, okay. I will show you how to fix this in a minute because I'm still playing with it. If you go to the character, no, master item, let's disable physics for these for now. Simulate physics. Yeah, let's disable the physics for them for now. But later on, I will show you how to prevent this. But for now, let's do this. So where you spawn it, grab it, and boom. Now you see, it's attached to my back. And then if client and go and get his backpack, same thing. Survey can see it, client can see it. Okay, so let's do the same thing for the helmet. Let's go over here, look for the head, the socket, call it helmet. Okay, preview asset, I think it's called helmet. Yeah, helmet. 90 degrees. Then again, it wasn't meant for this character, so it's not gonna be perfect, but we can live with it. Okay, cool. So grab the name, go to the data table, helmet, and helmet. While we're here, let's just is it up here? Yep. Current health. Let's put to 100, 100, and the second one too, because that's what's gonna drive the progress bar. So if you want it like the division where your gear can be 5,000 or 10,000, that's where you upgrade it right here. The current health. The backpack, not the backpack, the armor. So 100, 100, and 2. You set 100 by 100. Okay. So we can close this for now, and we can close this also. Even the main HUD, matter of fact, respawn screen, save this and hide it. Hide it. Go away. We do not want to see you. So we're gonna repeat the same process we did here for the equipped backpack. The helmet. No, matter of fact, let's do the destroy first. Set server, destroy backpack. And again, it's the same thing we did with the weapon and everything else. Backpack to destroy. Set it to web notify. Grab it, stick it here. Boom. Ooh. Okay. So now in here, let's find one of them so we can speed up the process. Paste it down here, and we say backpack ref, and we just change it. Yeah, we can remove this. Okay. So now we're gonna do the same thing up here for the helmet. Yeah. We say server spawn helmet and helmet info. What, notify? Plug it up. Okay. Let me grab this one here, so that way we don't waste time doing everything. Okay. So paste. Take it here. Make sure we change helmet info. Delete this. Promote this to backpack info. Promote this to a variable. Call it helmet info ref. Plug everything up. Replicate it. Make sure it's replicated. Goes here and goes here. Double check. Okay. And we can exit. Just copy this. Copy that. And back in the equip. And destroy helmet. And you can do the same thing if you want to add 10 different gears on your character. You can do the same thing. Keep on adding the gears. Keep on adding. Helmet to destroy. You just gotta know how many gears you want to add, and you go from there. Paste this. Make sure you change the helmet backpack info. Nope, not you. Backpack ref for the helmet ref. And also put it on equipment. So all our equipment stuff can stay in here. So now we go to use item. We find where it's equipment. The helmet. We do the same thing for the helmet. Say server spawn helmet. Why is this so small? Yeah. Why is it so short? Cause usually yeah. Okay, it be long like this. And this is helmet. Plug this. Get that local variable. Stick it up here. And then get this remove. And for your helmet, you can just snatch it somewhere. Spawn helmet and attach to character. Like I said, you can do the same thing for the armor, but I'm gonna use the power of editing and then cut the part out. Okay, let me go back here. All right, done. I did the armor and stuff. So spawn armor. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go see if I didn't mess up anything. Let's all forget something. Knowing me, Mr. Always Forgetting. See? I already forgot something. Forgot to put the helmet. Just check it out. Make sure everything works. It's the helmet. Thank you. Thank you. Boom, boom, boom. Aha, voila. We all decked out right now. We ready for war, baby. Okay, here you go. See? Everybody have a helmet on. Yeah. Well, we're gonna do the unequip these the gear, the stuff in a minute. In a later videos, we're gonna do them. Okay, and then we're also gonna spawn the icons here too. So let's do that first. Let's go to our inventory. Let's go to our widget right here. Okay, so which one is this? This one. Did I lock it? I'm pretty sure I did. Left side, unlock. Okay, cool. This is helmet. Let's name it. Helmet IMG. We're gonna create a binding for this. For the brush, make sure it's on the brush. Create. And if the player is valid, you need to get helmet ref. We need to see if it's valid. It's valid. If it is, we're gonna get the item info and break it. If it's not, you're simply gonna make one. For now it's gonna be blank, but I'm gonna come back to this. Let's work on here first. And we need the icon, plug the icon here. And that's for the helmet. So now if I do this, let me see. Okay, I think I'm having the same issue that we had for the for the weapons and stuff. I need to remove or just add canvas panel inside of it instead of the overlay. Yeah. So we're gonna grab this, remove this, remove that. We're gonna get an error, I think, and paste this right here. Yeah. No. Fill 0. And select the button, padding, and remove all the padding inside of it. Yeah, like that. And this would be appearances. This one would be, I know it. Yeah, helmet. I know it didn't remove that one. Get helmet IMG. We need to bind the image. Yeah, the image to get helmet IMG. And fingers crossed. Yeah, kind of work. Oh, let's get the text. Make it smaller, about 13. and we can info name. Let's see. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so now we have our element. It works. Let's do the same. Let's just copy everything here. This, okay, the size box. Copy, and those three at the bottom, eliminate them to save some time inside the vertical box. 1, 2, and 3. And this one, let's make it armor btn armor img. And if we go back here, we can just grab everything, select the armor img, normal, that's btn. Yeah, here, make sure you select the image, create binding, delete this, paste. It's pretty much a paste game. So it's a copy and paste. Armor ref, plug it here. You can simply delete this and repeat the process for the backpack. Call it back btn backpack img with the backpack img selected. Create binding, delete this, make sure you change this to backpack ref, plug it up here and delete. We're gonna change the background for the when you see how they're white. We're gonna change that. We're going to change that. Equip. See, now everything shows. So we can do the same thing for the text. Character. What's this, backpack? Yeah, backpack info. Name is armor. So let's check it out for the client now, because clients is always the pain in the box side. Oh yeah, here you go. Everything works properly. Yeah. Okay. So now let's start working on the where is it? Let's start working on this part right here. Okay, and in the next video we're gonna work on the functionality. Okay, so we're gonna go to, come on, we're gonna go to widget, wherever you have your main HUD, and let me get my project so I can speed this along. We need a canvas panel. put it down here, anchor it to bottom. Yep. And it's 350 by 140. Yeah, 140. 350 by 140. Okay. And you can adjust that however you want. And I believe, okay, the first thing first, I have a horizontal box here. Set it to top fill, remove this. And I also have another one for the middle. So I would say still put it at the top. Simply drag it down a little bit and leave it. Let's delete this for now. Delete this. What we're gonna do, we're going to add a size box inside of the horizontal box. We need an image. Yeah, and the size box, you can make it fill if you want. No. Leave it like that. Yeah. And I believe icon. I think you should have. If you download the file, you should have this already. I think. I'm not sure. If you guys don't, just let me know. But I'm pretty sure you should have it. But on the size box, it needs to be 150. Override 150. And the opacity to be about 0.7. Yeah. And outside the size box, we need 3 texts. This will be 300. And we need another one, 2. This one will be the slash. And padding left 5, padding right 5. And this one will be 500, but we make it normal, no darker, and then padding to the top about 8. And I believe these needs to go inside of another horizontal box. Yep. Set this to fill, and then you can just paste everything in here. Yeah. And then center. Grab this. Let's make it a little smaller. About 19. Yeah, and grab the horizontal box and give it a padding to the left about 50. Maybe 30. Yeah. And this, reduce this to 2. And I believe we can just grab that up. Yeah, leave it like that, because that's how I have mine. Let me see. Yeah, we're just gonna have to adjust the position. at the bottom. Like that. And name this to ammo container. Okay. And we need another horizontal box inside of this horizontal box. No, not the inside of the canvas panel. Yeah, right there. Top full, boom, and just adjust it like so. And we need 3 progress bar set to fill. And let's do the silent for 1, and then we can change it. Box, okay. 0.3. Yeah, let's make it 0.3. The fill color, if you put the percentage a little up. Fill color, let me see which one I have. Copy. Just in case you want to have the same thing I have in the other project. Excuse me. It is 80B4E6F. Okay. You can duplicate this. Let's do 1. This 1 to 1. And for this one, the color will be (03EA88F) and duplicate it again. And this one will be a gray color. But let me grab it real quick. Or you can change the color to whatever you like. And then it is CACACAFF. And we can select the whole box and make it shrink it a little bit to the size you want. And this time we're going to need let's get a vertical box first. Add it to the canvas panel. Yeah. And set it to bottom fill. 0, 0, 1. And then you can just move this to the top and get another progress bar, drag it on top of this, and the color for this one will be (007) ECAFF. Okay, and you can duplicate this one, and then the color for this one is same thing as for the last one we created. Wait, what? Yeah. Why is it not changing color? Oh. Okay, and then we can simply just make this 0.3. I wonder if I did. Yep, I got this 0.3. And then for this one down here, I think I have this one in its own thing. Yep. Wrap this, the health bar, with a canvas panel. And grab the canvas panel, set it to fill. And grab this. You can size it up. You can shrink this down. Shrink this, grab this. Set it to fill. Make this down more. Uh-oh. Or you can play with it however you wanna do yours. Cause I don't remember how I did this. I did this a long time ago. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Not bad. Just gotta tweak it a little bit. What's going on? Okay. Okay, so I tweak it a little bit, and this is what I come up with. As I said, you can play with yours a little bit, make it look however you want. Me, that's what I come up with. And as we can see right here, see, it look fine for me. It look fine. Okay. For me, okay. So with this one, let's hurry up and name it health bar. We're gonna add a canvas panel to it, or we're gonna just wrap it with a canvas panel. and this canvas panel is set to fill, and this one set to fill also. Yeah. And the reason why we do that is because, let me see. Yeah, it's because we're gonna go here. We're gonna have an image. We're going to add an image to it, to the canvas panel, and inside the image we wrap the image with a size box. Let's make it about 5, 5 or 10. No, how are we doing? 8, 8, 8, 8. Select the image. Select the image. And you, come on. Take the size box and you can position it somewhere like this. Now let's check it out. Oh, too small, too small. So let's grab this, move this a little bit up. Grab the vertical box, move it a little up. And here, let's make it about 15. 15 by 15. And see how we're looking. Not bad, not too bad. But we can move this a little bit more. And grab this, make it 20. I think that's the magic number. Yeah, 20. And then to the right, let's say 15. Okay. And inside of this, we can add a text. Size the content. Let's say 100. Make the size about 18. Left, move it down here. Make it 16. Negative 15. Oh, no, 15. 5. Negative 5. Negative 8. Negative 11 is the charm. Yep, here we go. It looks similar to what I have. So these, center them. It looks very similar to what I have. Okay. So we're gonna stop the video right here. In the next one, we're gonna create the functionality for decreasing the progress bar and everything like that. And I just noticed this is touching the come on, where are you? As I said, just play with yours a little bit. So let's do 65, and this, let's give it a padding 15. No, let's do 12, 10 even. Yeah, so we can have a little bit of space. Yeah, you can play with yours however you like, but that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, please like the video and subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see, or if you have any suggestions, just let me know. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.